Today was the last day of nominations for the first phase of Jammu and Kashmir polls. The state will go to polls on 18th of September. Leaders across parties, including several independent candidates, made a beeline to file their nomination papers. Banned outfit Jamaat-e-Islami is fielding at least 3 of its former members as independent candidates from various constituencies of South Kashmir. Meanwhile, the BJP today released a third list of candidates for the second and the third phase of Jammu and Kashmir polls. So far, the BJP has announced the names of 45 candidates across 3 phases.
Today is the last day of filing of nomination papers for the first phase of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir, and poll fever has gripped Pulwama here.
The last date of filing nomination papers witnessed a massive rush of candidates in South Kashmir. In Pulwama, once a hotbed of militancy and separatism, over 30 candidates filed their nomination papers. Among them, 2 accused under anti-terrorist law UAPA and a Jamaat-e-Islami linked candidate.
जब से सियासत में आया हूं तब से जमात के मुतालिक बात कर रहा हूं कि उनका एक अहम रोल है। अगर वो सियासत में आते हैं तो इसी एतबार से मेरे साथ मशवरा हुआ तो मैंने हामी भर ली इसमें कि
जमात ने आपसे मशवरा किया?
जमात के लोगों ने मुझे कांटेक्ट किया तो मैंने कहा कि मैं एज इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट जमात।
This is the ultimate answer to your good Salaf that I have been arrested under UAPA and I am filing the nomination.
Okay.
This is the answer to your good Salaf, to the people, to the country, that this is my country. I have not done anything against the country. That is why I have filed the nomination.
Jamaat-e-Islami is a banned organization under UAPA. Recently, party leaders announced their willingness to contest polls if the government lifts the ban on the Islamist group. At least 4 Jamaat-linked candidates filed their nomination papers as independents in Pulwama, Shopian and Kulgam. In Shopian, daughter of Sarjan Barkati, a jail UAPA accused, also filed his nomination papers. She appealed to people to vote for her jailed father.
जिस वक्त कश्मीर को मेरे बाबा की जरूरत थी उस वक्त मेरे बाबा ने बखूबी शाना बशाना कश्मीरियों के साथ रहे और मैं आज उम्मीद करती हूं कि आज पूरा कश्मीर मेरे बाबा के साथ रहेगा।
Former Chief Minister and National Conference leader Omar Abdullah has welcomed participation of Jamaat-linked candidates but questioned them for what he termed as duplicity regarding elections.
An organization that spent the last 30 plus years telling the people of Kashmir that elections are haram, that they should not participate in elections.
Okay.
That was talking about Jammu and Kashmir not being a part of India, is today willing to take the same oath on the Constitution of India that mainstream political parties have taken. This is a huge development.
Meanwhile, the BJP released a revised list of candidates with just one change in the list. On Monday, the party was forced to withdraw its list of 44 candidates after a backlash in Jammu. The National Conference, also facing some resignations after seat-sharing arrangement with the Congress, also released its list for the second and the third phase. This is the first assembly election in Jammu and Kashmir after a gap of 10 years. Massive participation by people who used to boycott elections, either by choice or out of fear, is a clear indication of the changing times in the valley. With Nazir Masoodi in Srinagar, Bureau Report, NDTV.